Recipe for chocolate mousse. For this dessert you will need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of gelatin, 2 cups of milk, around 250 ml of thickened cream, a few drops of vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and half an inch piece of butter. First of all, add 2 cups of milk to the blender. We'll separate the eggs. And we only want the egg white. If any of the egg yolk goes into the mixture, we won't be able to blend the whites as much. And we'll put the yolk in the milk. We're doing it for the second egg as well. The egg white should be clear with no signs of egg yolk. Keep the bowl separate and we'll add all the dry ingredients to the milk. So that was the corn flour, the 5 tablespoons of sugar, the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Blend the mixture together. Place the mixture in a pot and we'll keep it on boiling with constant stirring to avoid lumps. We will also add the butter at this point. Because the mixture is a corn flour and egg, lumps can be formed really quickly. So keep stirring it constantly till the milk boils and thickens up. We can see the mixture is thickening up really quickly, so keep stirring it constantly. The chocolate custard has been formed and it is starting to boil a bit as well, so keep stirring. We will put this on simmer on a slow cooker, and meanwhile we will make the gelatin. So we've boiled some water in a pan and we will add the 2 teaspoons of gelatin. Now we'll add the gelatin to the mousse, and both of these should be boiling hot or the gelatin won't set the mousse as well. There. It's well mixed into the water, so we'll add it to the mousse. Slowly pouring it in while stirring. So this process has taken us altogether around 5 minutes. And before switching the cooker off, we're going to add a few drops of vanilla essence. And stir it in. And then we will switch it off. Even when the cooker is off, after every few minutes you should keep stirring the mousse to avoid the layer on top or malai forming. We want the mousse to get to room temperature. Meanwhile, as the mousse is getting cooler to room temperature and as we're constantly stirring it, we will beat the egg white. Make sure that the beater is very dry and clean as well, because we don't want any moisture going into the egg whites. Now we'll beat the egg white. We will beat till soft peaks are formed. And you can see it's not really falling. That means it's firm and it's ready. Now we will beat the cream, and it doesn't matter if the whisk still has some egg on it. The cream has thickened up as well. Don't overbeat the cream, because then the water and the cream will separate, and then it will be of no use. Now that the mousse has come to room temperature, we will fold the cream and the egg white with the mousse. So first the cream, and then the egg white. Pour into a bowl and keep it in the freezer for 1 hour, and then transfer it to the fridge till it's ready to be served. Level the mousse with a spatula and then you can decorate with a fork. You can make designs. And decorate with either shaved chocolate or strawberries, or you can pour some Ovaltine or Milo on top. We will now place the mousse in the freezer for an hour and then transfer to the fridge.